Yo, 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 yo! Dan Soy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone. We take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's a really simple sandwich. It only takes a couple minutes and it tastes really good. It's something different. So for today, we got these ciabatta rolls. We got cheese. You could use the cheese of your choice. Organic butter. Roast beef. We got this garlic mayo, and we got 2 cloves of garlic. So the thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put butter in here first, and the garlic we're just gonna smash and leave it in here, and we're gonna take the roll and we're gonna just keep moving it around till it gets toasted. But the reason for this garlic is we're just gonna like smash it down and put it in there, and it'll add flavor to the roll. Like I said, my channel's not always about recipes from scratch or lengthy recipes. Sometimes we're gonna give each other ideas on how to make like tasty sandwiches, soups, and other stuff. So let's get to the pan. Alright, so you can see the quality of that roll and the flour. These things are really good. You can do many recipes with this. I'll show you other recipes. So right now we got the butter in here. We're going to put our pan on medium. And the thing you're going to want to do is, the thing I forgot is just add some olive oil in here. Because you don't want the butter to burn, and this will help. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to just put the garlic in there. Alright, so you can see that we have the garlic in there. It's smashed, and you have the butter. Thing you want to do is take a spatula or spoon and just mix that all together. Get it all through the pan. If it gets too hot where it starts to boil, you can always turn it down. And the thing then you're going to want to do is just take your bread and just keep turning it around. Like, it doesn't matter about that garlic, it's going to give flavor. So just start turning this to you get it brown. And like I said, you can just adjust the stove. If you want it, you can turn this over. You could turn this over and do the other side. Look how this is coming out. You could do the other side, but for this I'm going to leave that flour look and taste. Yeah, so excuse my voice today. I have been sick, but yeah, just keep turning this. I wish you could smell this kitchen right now, but you can see that garlic's in there and it's just adding flavor. So look at that. So turn it as long as you have to get the color in the bread that you want. And like I said, if you have to, turn the stove up or lower it. But garlic and butter and the oil will add flavor to this. So after that, it's done. We'll just get our roast beef, throw it on there, throw the cheese on and the mayo. If you want, before the mayo goes on, after you put the cheese on, you could toast it or put it in the microwave to melt the cheese. It's all up to you. So we're just waiting on this. Yeah, Facebook and YouTube, look at that. Look at the color. Like, I could have left it in there longer if I wanted a deeper color, but this is really good. You could actually eat this as standalone garlic bread. So the next thing we're going to want to do is put the roast beef on top, and then the cheese, and then we could top it with mayo. If you don't want mayo, put on mustard, put on salad dressing. So the thing we're going to do is just go to this organic roast beef, and we're going to throw it on there. This will make for a tasty sandwich. Alright, so you can see that we put the roast beef on there. Look how that looks. Next step is put our cheese on there. If we want, we can put the cheese on, then flip this over, and we could microwave it or toast it, and then put the mayo on, but it's up to you. Your cook, your house, your lifestyle. Alright, so we got the cheese on there, and since everything is warm, you can see it start to melt. But look at that golden color with the butter and that garlic that got infused. But here's another look at that. The thing we're gonna do is next is I'm gonna put this on, and I'm gonna actually microwave this to melt the cheese. But look at this sandwich. Look how big these rolls are. That thing would fill you. You could cut it in half and share it. So let's warm this, and then we're done. We could throw on the mayo if we want, or you could throw on whatever condiment of your choice. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, we are done. I melted the cheese for 20 seconds in the microwave. 40 seconds in the microwave. And look at that. That makes for a really good quality sandwich. And it doesn't take that long. But you can see that cheese is melted in. And like I said, you don't have to cook things. Look at that cheese goo out. You don't have to cook things that take forever. We just have to use imagination. And put quality ingredients together. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. I'll bring you 2 to 3 uploads a week. I'll try to bring you uploads on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but I'm not sure. But I'll bring you 2 to 3 a week, and you enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Batman, Dan Soy, peace.